Good morning, this is Jean here. Jean Truelove from True Love Quilts for You. Just yesterday, which was scheduled to be put up, because I made it a week or so ago. I had made that video of me young and healthy. He's just coughing a little bit. I have a headache and cough, and I feel just today, that's why I thought, oh, I'll make this video. It's been about, I would say, 6 days now. Keep safe. I always say that. Take care. Keep safe. Nothing has really changed in our life whatsoever. We're around people that we're around. We're doing things. Didn't think anything of them because we were healthy. And then just for some reason, and I couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it. COVID positive. Also, my throat. Oh, so sore. A video up when I feel better. But Max, I have the video, but